Hey guys, this is Black Sheep Ninja, and today I'll be doing my first ever unboxing video. I have here an HDMI splitter from one input to two HDMI output, made by a company called AstroAI. This isn't the bestseller, but it does seem to have some good reviews, and has some pretty good specs, which made me pull the trigger. Link will be posted in the description down below. Well, enough talk. Let's unbox this piece of equipment, shall we? Okay, quite a small product, but pretty neat packaging here. First we have the actual unit. It does have some weight. The AC adapter. See what's underneath that one there. Oh, what is this? It seems to be the plastic shielding for the HDMI port. And lastly, we have the manual. It's in English. That's good. Take a quick look and see how it feels. It does have some weight in it because of the metal casing, and it does feel very sturdy. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll be doing a review on the next video, testing this on my 2K G-Sync monitor and 4K FreeSync monitor with HDR, along with Xbox One X, PS4 Pro, and a Nintendo Switch. That's all folks. Once again, this is Black Sheep Ninja. Don't forget to comment, like, or subscribe.